Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to cook a steak at home, so keep on watching. First, you get a hot pan, make sure you get your ribeye and your herbs ready, put the oil in the pan, season it thoroughly with sea salt and pepper. I prefer sea salt because the table salt or the iodized salt makes it too salty. Then you make sure you season every single side of it thoroughly and evenly. Even the sides if you have a thick slice like I do. I know it doesn't look like I put a lot of seasoning on it, it's just that the salt is very fine. I prefer it that way when I'm cooking it right away, that way I know it got into the meat. Then put it into a hot skillet. When you hear the sizzle, that's how you know your skillet is ready for your steak. Then you get some butter ready while that's sitting, press down the center to make sure it doesn't curl up and it has an even crust. Then you put your herbs in there, flip it over after about 3 to 4 minutes. Put the herbs, baste it with the oils, make sure it gets infused. Crush your garlic, put it in the oil, make sure that gets infused. And then you just kind of baste it with the garlic as well. Then you put about 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. Just 2 because it's a pretty big slice of meat, it's about 10 ounces. Then you baste, and just keep on basting. You baste until it's done on the other side. You just want to baste it to make sure that it gets infused with all the oils and butters and herbs and garlic. Then you melt the fat cap on the side to make sure that it is cooked evenly, and you don't want that fat cap because sometimes it's kind of rough. And then you let it sit for just a couple of minutes, probably like a minute or 2. You don't want it to get cold. And then make sure you have a very sharp knife, because if you don't have a sharp knife, it will kind of mess up the integrity of the meat. And then you cut it against the grain. If you need a tutorial on how to cut against the grain, just let it know in the comments below. And you're also going to want to season the steak again, one more time, just slightly, after you have cut everything. And then you are done. It tastes really good and impressive, just like a restaurant, but simple. And now you can watch my family destroy the steak.
Where's your dad? No, she's good.
But it's not on.
Okay, don't mind him. He probably ate something he wasn't supposed to.
We're not recording? Oh, man.
I'll put extra salt.
We're gonna exit.
It's salty.
See, look, now he's all cute. Saying cheese.
How's it taste, buddy?
Meat.
Ribeye. He said fire. Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
So like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like. You get me?
Everybody subscribe.
Hey.
How do I? No, scummy. You get me? Subscribe.
Hey. Bye. Look.